Did my fuse just go? I think I just blew a fuse. I am so excited about today's unboxing. So we have the Ice Cream Beauty Bag for June 2025. And Ice Cream Beauty came out with a new subscription. I'm so excited. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this worth the money, and find out what this puppy is, keep on watching.
Hello, it's me, Editing Ann here. On my last video, I told you guys that Jersey is experiencing a heat wave. And I have my window air conditioning in, and it's extremely loud. So I'm trying this new feature in my editing software called Noise Remover. And I notice when I'm editing that the sound is going in and out, like certain words I'm saying. So I will get better. I'm still working on it, so just bear with me. Okay, bye.
All right, I'm so excited. Let's open this up right now and see exactly what this is. So it comes with a little card here in this. So let's open this up and read what it says. All right, let me get my glasses. Hold the phone. Got these at Walmart. I love them so much. All right, so we have this, but let's open this up. This is so cute, the little hearts. I thought they were cherries at first, but they're like hearts. All right, let's open her up. I guess this is for this, the Mix-Em Medium. So I'll explain that in a minute. It comes with 3 like duochromes. This is $6.99 a month. This is for the Duochrome Club. You get free add-on shipping if you have an active box or bag. Okay, so that's good. Or just pay shipping if you prefer to subscribe to this only. Wow. Okay, so you guys know I love Ice Cream Beauty, and these are just so cute. I will show them to you. And then this is separate, okay? So this is the only thing that will come in the subscription box, just these 3. But if you want to add the Mix-Em Medium, this is $9.99, or you just pay $5 if you get one of these subscriptions, just for this. Okay, so what is, okay, let me see what this is. This amplifies the color intensity. It extends the wear time and reduces fallout. Just a drop goes a long way. And then if you want to screenshot this, it'll tell you some other things, how to use it. And it looks like that. So we'll try it with and without. Okay, so the first one, I don't see like a shade name. So it comes with a safety seal, which, yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. I'm scared to dump it, like to tilt it too much, or it's going to fall. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Okay. Oh my goodness, I wish you could see this in person. It sparkles beautifully. Like, this is a gold and pink duochrome. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we're going to do this before and then afterwards. So you see the pink, but look at that. Do you see it? How it changes colors? It shifts. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Okay, now side by side, we're going to see this and just see how this works. Okay, that definitely works. This is without, this is without, and this is with the mixing medium. Look at that difference. Oh, I wish you could see this in person. You can definitely see how it definitely intensifies. And look at this. You won't get a fallout. You see that? Look at that. With this, I would be scared you would get some type of fallout. So I highly recommend buying this if you get, and this will last a while. So I definitely recommend getting this if you get this subscription. Now this is for the month of June. Okay, so then we have this greenish color, which I love. It's probably going to be my favorite. Oh my gosh. It's like a, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like I thought it was going to be like, oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. That is so pretty. See how light? Look at that. It's like a pink and purple, but also has like a green tint. Do you see how it would have a green tint as well? So it's like pink, green, purple. I'm just going to speed it up for the sake of the video. It's not real long, and we'll do this. Okay. With the mix of medium, without. Huge difference. Look at that. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. Gosh, where am I going to put you? Put you right here. Okay, so this is without the mix of medium and with. It's just so pretty. It's like a pinkish purple. If I had to pick, I think this one here is my favorite for like summer, but these are gorgeous. Wow. All right, let me clean my mess up and then I'll be right back.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So let's recap really quickly. So for the duochrome of the month subscription, it is $6.99 a month. You get 3 duochromes. And if you have another subscription with Eyescream Beauty, you don't pay for shipping. So shipping would be free. So it would just be $6.99. Again, you can use my code JUSTIN in all caps. Then if you want to receive this separately would be $9.99. But if you're going to get this subscription, then this would just be $5. And I definitely recommend getting this. I really, really do. You don't need a glitter glue, anything. You just need this. This is amazing. I am so glad. Thank you for sending that to me so I can definitely see the difference. Definitely. Now let's open the Eyescream Beauty Bag. This is $12.50 a month. You do pay for shipping, a little bit of shipping for this. If you use my code JUSTIN, that kind of saves on the shipping a little bit, you know? Now, with the beauty box, that usually comes themed. The beauty bag does not, but everything always goes together. So this is for June. You get 3 full-size items this month. Okay, so the first thing we got is from Bella Pierre, and this is a HD Soothing Primer. And this is $20. And I say it all the time. I love that fact that it's taped up like that so it doesn't open and spill, you know? I don't use primers anymore. I don't know why. When I used to do full face of makeup, I used to like the full coverage foundation and all that. Then I will tend to use a primer. But like today, I have nothing on because it's hot. Right now, it's like 111 degrees with the heat index right now. We're in the middle of a heat wave, and tomorrow's going to be even hotter. So I typically don't use any, like right now I have no foundation, concealer, anything on. But if I do, I usually just use a tinted moisturizer. So I don't go for these. But I really probably should. So I'm definitely going to try it. And then I will keep you guys updated on that. The next thing is this. What you be? Okay, from Base Blue Cosmetics. This is the summer highlighter. And this is $25. And I tell you guys all the time, whenever I get this brand, I love the packaging. And there's not one thing from this brand that I do not like. The packaging is beautiful. The eyeshadow palettes and everything are gorgeous. So it looks like that, the packaging. So I was like, what is going on? This is a magnet. Look. So it's so easy then, especially if you're traveling, to just do this, right? Look at that. Look at the sand and then the beach. I mean, the water. I'm thinking of like, this reminds me of the beach, right? So this highlighter is called Summer. But yeah, look at that. I mean, isn't it just gorgeous? Look at the packaging. I mean, the artwork is just gorgeous. Okay, it's so pretty. I'm scared to touch it. All right, so there we go. Now that's just going in one time. It is so pretty. Let's just see if it's buildable. I don't think I've ever tried a highlighter from this brand before. Oh yeah, they're definitely buildable. So if you want it more boom, or you just want a light, you know? This is just so gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna stretch you. I love that. That's why I say I love their packaging. Look at that. And it's a strong magnet. Like, look, I'm really trying to, and it won't come off. So if you're traveling or anything like that, you know. And last but not least, you always get some sort of palette in here, which I love. This is a Couture. It's an eyeshadow palette. Did my fuse just go? I think I just blew a fuse because it's so hot.
Much later.
Okay, I'm talking too much. I literally, because it's so hot and I have the AC on with all these lights, I had to go. Okay, I'm going to hurry up now. Did I tell you the price on this? $20. So for $12.50, we'll say $13 subscription, you get $20, $40, $65 worth of value, which is amazing. Oh, so it comes with a mirror. And then these are the shades. So they're neutrals, which I've really been into lately. I cannot believe I'm saying this because go back, if you're new to my channel, go back even 2 years ago. Every eyeshadow look I did, I had to come on camera with a full face of makeup, and it was always bright colors and colorful, you know? All right, so I'm going to hurry up really quickly and just swatch the shimmers. So you get 4 shimmers and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 mattes. Okay, so those are the shimmers right here. 4. That's just going in one time. This one I went in twice because it's like my skin complexion. Very pretty. Okay, I don't know. Can you see these? This one's very light. And then you have this one, and then you have these 3 here. And then that's the deepest one. It's a really pretty neutral color. I really like this a lot. I'm just going to hurry up now because I don't want that to go off again. I'm going to turn these lights off really quickly. So for the month of June, we got a palette. It's the Rachel, what is it called again? The Rachel Couture eyeshadow palette for $20. We got the Base Blue Cosmetics Summer Highlighter for $25. And then the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Smoothing Primer for $20. I think that's pretty good. I've always enjoyed this subscription. Yes, some months are better than others, but for $12.50, I always say if I had to pick between the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Eyescream Beauty Bag all day long, you know? Don't forget I have a vlog channel, Just Anne's World. If you want to get to know me more on a personal level, I always put it in the description box, but I will definitely pin a comment of the link. So check that out. Let me know what you think of the new subscription. Are you going to get it? Do you want to see a couple more months what it is? Let me know down below. I'm so excited to see what July brings. And let me know what you think of this month's Ice Cream Beauty Bag. And let me know down below. Don't forget, thumbs up the video, thumbs it down. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement. Even if it's just an emoji, it would really mean the world to me. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, bye.